This is DPM Journey checking in with you. I've been doing some small projects on the truck, and I plan on doing some more. I did my rims yesterday. I got some before and after pictures. I want you all to check it out. It ain't perfect, but it's better than what it was. Here it is. Check them out. Before I forget, I use a Rust-Oleum wheel, metallic graphite, 3 times more durable, fade resistant, no peel promised, adhesive guaranteed. Here you go. What I use is my drill, a wire brush on the end of it, and some sandpaper. It took me to do all 4 about 4 hours, taking my time. So there you go, take a look at them. So here's the rims before I did anything. Take a look at those. They was pretty crappy looking. Now here's the after. I got paint on the tires. I know that, but I'm getting ready to change the tires out after I put my 3-inch leveling on the truck. I want to put 33s on it. So go ahead and check it out. I think it turned out pretty good. Next year I might get new rims. I don't know yet. We'll just see. My running boards, I want to paint them black also, because I want to get all the chrome off the truck. So what'd you all think? I got some more projects. I want to take all my chrome on the truck and paint it black or graphite. My Ford emblems on the hood, not the hood, but the grill and the tailgate, I'd like to change from blue and black. My Ford emblems on the side, the FX, I'd like to do those black with blue also. I'll record those and let you guys see what you think. I hope you all enjoyed the short video today. DPM Journey checking out. Till next time.